Hello and welcome. We are at Ravindra Bhavan, Madgaon, and today is the prize distribution ceremony of national toppers of spelling bee and handwriting competition. On the day one, we had taken some bites and we had spoken to a few of the students who had participated and won the competition. Today also, we will be speaking to few of the students and get their reaction on the competition. So you have been participating in this handwriting competition. You won today. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very nice. I'm happy.
How was the experience?
It was very good, amazing, and I'm happy to get this prize today.
How many hours you used to practice for your perfect handwriting?
Not hours, in just 15 minutes daily.
Who helped you? Who guided you?
My mother, father, and the teachers in the school.
Your name?
Asmiya Sheikh,
Which school?
Presentation Convent High School, Margao.
So how was the experience?
It was good.
And, how many spellings you learned new in the during this time?
Not many.
So during participation, who helped you?
No,
Teacher guided you?
no. I learned
Parents?
a little, yeah.
In future, if such competition is held, will you participate again?
Yeah.
My name is Aditi Sen,
Which school?
Bhavanch Sri Ramakrishna Vidyalaya. It's in Hyderabad, Telangana. It was the best experience ever, and I literally believed that I could get second rank.
Have you participated previously in this competition?
Yes, I did so many times, and last time I got in nationals, and then now I got second rank.
Okay, so will you try harder next time? So at the first rank?
Yes,
And you will participate again?
yes sir.
This spell bee started in the year 2008 in Calcutta with 8 schools and 2,200 students. So then we started in other cities, and year by year it went on, and now we have a presence in 21 states with the participation of more than 4 lakh students from around 3,000 plus schools. Later on, the schools were asking us to come out with more products due to our support and service and the way we were operated. And we started with LKG, UKG, a Little Hands Olympiad for them, which is basically an activity-based competition of coloring and drawing and all. And see, it has got a warm welcome from the market. Later on, after the COVID, we started with the handwriting to improve on the handwriting, which is also doing well. And last year, we started with another competition called Doodles Derby, which is a drawing and coloring competition. So now we have a team of more than 150 people. Every city we have coordinators, then taken care by the national coordinators, and we have offices, 3-4 offices at Calcutta, Bangalore, Lucknow, Coimbatore, like that. So we are not able to execute the orders and requirements of the schools. We are now recruiting more and more people and trying to leverage to more schools. And last year we got a tie-up with the US International Spell Bee competition organizers, Spell Pandit. The Spell Bee competition started in US around 100 years before Scripps National Spell Bee. And participating in that one, only the US students were eligible for that. Now they have recognized other organizations conducting Spell Bee competitions, and we are part of that. So now Indian students who complete or come as the toppers in the competition, they are eligible for participating in the US World Spell Bee Championship. Around 9 countries are participating. Last year we had 43 students from India. That's the second largest participation they had. And if they top, they can participate in the Scripps National Spell Bee.
So how do you look at the growth of this competition?
Growth is tremendous, but we are not able to service. So we grow in a very steady manner because it's an educational program and we take care of each and every activities. So we have to extend a lot of service to the schools, and we are building up a team, and we are growing in a tremendous way.
Yes, so you have you said that it is slow, but I think it is grown because you from one competition you have executed now two more competitions. So yeah, four competitions. So obviously it is growing, sir. So how do you look at the participation of the students? Do you think that whether they are responding to the or maybe they are encouraged by the schools to participate in more and more numbers in?
Yes, actually, these are not extracurricular activities and hobbies education, which is very necessary for the students are now as of date. And see, we can keep these students away from their mobiles, TVs, what the time they unnecessarily spend, and a lot of creativity and interest they develop on all these doing all these activities.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So what is your name?
Shreem Tripathi,
Which school?
City Montessori School, Lucknow. Overall, I felt like it was really good because of all the new words we learned. Like, even though most of them you would not find them to use in everyday vocabulary, but overall it was good. For example, like in school essays and in poetry. So it was like.
You had previously participated.
Yes, actually, ever since I was in maybe second grade, I have been doing spell bees, and this was like last time when I was in I think fourth. Then I got into till the like national level. After that, I wasn't able to continue, and this time I've also reached till here. So hopefully I'll go further.
So next year also, if it is organized, you will participate.
Yes, definitely. It's one of my favorite things. Most of it I learned it from Cambridge English, but there was also Oxford dictionaries involved, and then there's several YouTube channels that teach you words from IELTS and TOEFL, so that also helped a lot. Initially I started 2 hours a day, but as I was nearing it went on to 5 or 6 hours. But honestly it just depends on how much you can learn in a certain amount of time.
Any word which you found difficult?
Yes. So there was this word polygynous, and I hadn't previously studied it. Just like one glance at it, and it actually showed up on the actual competition, and that's when it took a lot of time for me to realize. So yes, that was really tough.
My name is Sanchi Nastodkar and I'm from Sarodya Educational High School, Kuchari. It was a really good experience actually. Last year also I participated. I won 19th national rank, and this time I improved and won 4th rank. Yeah, it is quite helpful. Like co-curricular activities are quite helpful because it distracts you for like good distraction actually. So it really helps.
Will you suggest your friends also to participate?
Yeah, actually many students from our school participate every year. So yeah, sure.
And in future also such competition is organized. Will you participate?
Yeah, I participate every year, so I'll continue to.
And your handwriting was from start only it was good, or you improved it?
Yeah, practice makes a man perfect, so practice.
I'm Lavanya Sandeep Bhatbuje from 10th A, MKH Sancheti Public School, Maharashtra, Nagpur. It was really fantastic. All the decorations and the media. I'm thankful for my mother and my school.
How you improved and worked on your handwriting?
Actually, I was practicing since I was in the first. It was all taught by my mother. She took the handwriting classes and I learned calligraphy from her. So I'll give all this credit to her. Actually, to be honest, when I write my exams, I really don't use a good handwriting. Actually, it's nice, but I write in a cursive. So I use different font for this.
My name is Ditya. I'm from Bhavan, Sri Ramakrishna Vidyalaya, Hyderabad.
So you have traveled from Hyderabad to Goa. How was the experience?
It was very fun because I came by car, and our car is like a caravan because we take it everywhere we go. We even once traveled from Hyderabad to Kolkata by drive.
So coming back to your competition, how was the experience at the competition?
That was also very nice because I feel that when somebody has a talent, they should use it for the good.
Last year also you participated?
Yeah, and in nationals I got 23rd rank.
Okay, so now you have improved.
Yeah.
So will you work more harder and participate next year also?
Yes.
Okay, which were the words you learned this time?
I learned a word from Google which is a really long word. It is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, and I also learnt the spelling just for fun. It didn't.
Spell it now.
Yeah. supercalifragilisticexpialidicious.
Wow, that's great. Next year also you will learn something new and participate again.
Yes, because participating in this competition is really fun. Even if you get a 23rd rank, you get a really big trophy. And even if you come 59th rank, you get a big trophy. So it's about participating, not about winning. My name is Anaya Rodriguez.
Which school?
I come from the Rosary School, Kujira.
You had previously participated in such competition.
Yes, I think I did in 2nd standard, but spell bee.
Okay, that was spell bee competition. So this time it is handwriting competition. So you, from start only your handwriting was good, or you practiced and improved it?
I practiced and improved it. It was very horrible. I kept on practicing.
Okay, so now that you have got good handwriting and you have been awarded, next year also the competition will be held. So will you participate?
Of course.
And this competition, how it help you during your regular studies or regular handwriting skills? How it improved?
Like it improved. My teachers were like, your handwriting is good. And my friends were like, you can do it. Your handwriting is good. Keep up the work and all. My name is Saishik Sunil Koli.
Which school?
Vidya Vriddhi School.
Okay. From where?
I am from Fonda, Goa.
So how was the experience at the competition?
Very nice. I did very well in the exam.
Okay. So you won the trophy for handwriting competition. So how was the practice session? How you used to practice for the or improve your handwriting?
I get a book. Every day 5 pages I did at home.
Every day you used to write.
Yes.
Okay. So who helped you to during your practice session? Your mother, father, or teachers guided you?
Mothers and my teachers also guided.
Okay. You suggested your friends also to participate.
Yes.
And in future, such competitions are held. You will participate.
I think so.
And besides this, there is also spell bee competition. Will you participate for that also?
I participated in 3 levels. I participated.
What is the name?
Himashri,
From which school?
Irfu School,
From?
Bengaluru, Karnataka.
You have traveled from Bangalore to here.
Yeah.
So how was the experience?
It was great.
And for the competition, how was the experience?
It was a little bit hard, but I tried the best.
Which words you found was the tougher one for you to learn?
Like malign.
Okay. So now you have learned it.
Yeah.
You can spell it.
Yeah. It has 2 spellings. First MALIGNE and next MALINE.
So will you suggest your friends also to participate?
Yeah, I have.
And last year also you participated, or this is your first time?
Last year I participated.
So did it help in your studies also?
Yeah.
In the next coming future, if such competitions are held, will you participate?
Jasvika Pereira,
Which school?
a presentation Convent High School, Margao. The experience was nice. There were a lot of competitors, but I got 8th rank. This is not my first time, my 3rd or 4th or so. Last year I didn't make it past the state level, but this time it's national.
So you work more harder to participate and win this trophy.
Yes.
So will you suggest your friends also to participate in such competitions?
Yeah, I do.
And next year, if the competition is organized, will you participate?
Yes.
Okay. So such type of competitions play an important role in students' life, whether to improve their skills, or mental skills, as well as the writing skills and other skills. So how do you look at this competition?
So I'm happy to come to the program. I thank the organizers of the program for giving me an opportunity to share my ideas during spell bee and writing widget. And during my time, I don't know about these things. And now I can see that lakhs of people in India are participating in this activity, and winners are they came to Goa, and the participation is done in Goa. We can see the children from small age till ninth standard, they are taking part in this activity and they're getting prizes and they're getting awards and prizes. Even they're getting cash prize. I can see a lot of enthusiasm, lot of encouragement from them to take part in these activities. And I wish them all the best. And they can take part even not only in India, they can take part in the international events also in the Swellby as well as riding competition, so that they can get laurels to our India.
Yesterday also, sir, when I was taking the bites of the students, I noticed that there were students from the rural areas also, which got an opportunity and they have excelled in their competition. So such type of competitions not only bring the urban students but also the rural part students from the rural parts. So do you think that such type of competitions should be organized more on a larger scale?
Yes, definitely it is required. And nowadays, even rural and urban, there is no difference. And even people from rural area, they are doing very, very well in India. And parents are encouraging, and teachers are encouraging, and the encouragement comes from different organizations. As a consequence, I think we should have more and more competition so that all people can take part in these activities.
The last question: how parents do you think plays an important role? Because whenever parents, it comes to parents is always like study. But this is like a extracurricular activities where parents' role is a major role. What do you think?
So regarding the studies, yes, they are important, but besides that, they need to have even different competitions because there are some students are having mental as well as physical capacities. So we should not stop them at the one stage. If they are interested, let them do other activities. Parents also, I should inform the parent, let them give opportunity to children in which activity they are interested. We cannot force them because by forcing that, we are trying to stop their talent. Let them give the opportunity, let them achieve brilliance in the field in which they are interested.
What do you think about this competition and whether it should be on the celebrated or organized on a larger scale?
See, first thing is I'm very privileged to have been here today, as a guest of honor for this wonderful, National Spelling Bee competition. From what I've heard from the organizers, the 15th and 16th edition of this prize distribution function has been held in Goa. Correct? And I think they're also planning to have it as a permanent venue. And having it as a permanent venue in Goa is one of the best things that you can ever do. Because the moment you have in Goa, go and get a function, they immediately come back to Goa because it's also a tourist place. So this is the best opportunity for them to have this as a permanent value every year for the National Spelling Bee competition. I'm pretty impressed with the students. Although this is a competition with regard to spelling and handwriting skills, but for me personally, looking at the age of the children, what I appreciate more is it builds their confidence, it improves their thinking skills, and moreover, at such a young age, they are competing at a national level. So that makes the difference. And the most important, the second thing is the mentors, the teachers who train them, and the parents, who support them. Unless and until you have the encouragement of the parents and the teachers or their mentors, it's not possible for a child to be, doing so well at the national level. So the parents are also equally, to be thanked, for the encouragement and the support that they've been giving to these wonderful children. Some of them are as young as 5th standard and 6th standard.
Yesterday they were lower KG, 4 KG students.
It is so nice to see the children, and the beauty is all of them are from all over the country. But I'm also happy that there are school children from Goa who have also won prizes. Okay, so now this is a stepping stone for all the children from Goa. We should see that our school children from Goa, now compete on the larger scale, with the students at the national level. And that will only enhance, the competition level of the students in Goa. And we will know where our students from Goa rank at the national level. This is the best opportunity for them. Okay?
So last year there were few students, but this time the participation of the students was around 3 lakhs. So the participation is also increasing. The competition will also will be more tougher for them, students. And one more thing I would like to mention, the important thing is that even though some students participate, they maybe they lose by some margin, but they, next year they participate more with more hard work, and they come out with flying colors the next year.
Yes.
So how do you see this sportsmanship spirit in them?
See, what I told these young children, I told them this is only the beginning for you. This is not the end of the finish line. This is the beginning for you. right? So therefore now that you have already reached at this level, you know, so this is a stepping stone where you can now improve on your performance and you can do much better in the next year, right? So it's all about, you know, the competition at such a young age, right? It's all about improving your knowledge skills. Got it? So this is what I've been telling them, you know, and this is to be appreciated. Right? So this is not the end of the thing for them. This is just the beginning. And I was telling the students from Goa, see, you have such a wonderful opportunity to compete at the national level. Make sure you spread the word across to all your friends. Let's see, we have competed. This is how the competition is. You should also compete. So you have a larger number of students who come. Right? So we have to promote this in all our schools in Goa. This is lacking. This is what we should do.
My name is Rishit Garg and I am from Bhavans, Nagpur, Sri Shanagar. It was pretty wonderful. It was an exciting journey. I learned quite a lot, words, vocabulary, how to use them and whatnot. And I liked it. Like this year itself, I learned the biggest word, the neonomatro ultramicroscopic silicovolcano coniosis, which is the biggest word in English vocabulary, and many such words.
Will you participate in future?
Definitely.
Yashasvi Phuke. I'm from Nagpur, Bhavan Civil Lines School. It was amazing. I got to learn a lot of words and my vocabulary has improvised and even my English. So it's amazing.
So last year also you had participated?
Yes.
The competition is growing day by day. So how do you look at it? Because the number of students are also increasing. So how do you look at this competition? How it helps the students to improve their skills?
I mean, learning is, it's learning improves yourself like every day. So all the competitions that I've given, every time it has taught me something new. And the next time that I'll give, it just motivates me to give my best and give better, be better and better. So yeah.
Will you participate in such competition next year also?
Yes, for sure. I've been doing this from a long back, from a long time. So I'll give it till I come first maybe.
I'm Ekansh Lonkar and I'm representing my school Bhavans BP Vidyamandhir Civil Lines Nagpur. I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. Actually, I've been giving this exam from 2nd standard, so I've learned new words. It helped me to develop my vocabulary and it also helps us in our various English exams. So,
will you suggest your friends also to participate?
Yes, definitely, as it helps us improve our vocabulary and we also get to learn new words.
So which were the new words you learned this time?
There were several words like Jeremiah, linoleum, etc.
Okay. So in future also if such competitions are organized, will you participate?
Yes.
My name is Shubhayu Roy, Indira Gandhi Memorial High School. It was truly amazing. I had previously participated but never got to the national level mega finals. This is the first time I'm going to the national mega finals.
This time you have won the 6th rank. So next year will you participate and work more hard?
Yes, I will participate and work more harder in the next year.
Who were your mentors during your practicing time? Your mother, father, who helped you?
Both of them helped me a lot to participate in this competition and win the 6th prize.
My name is Amrita Bhatia. I'm from Bangalore and I'm studying in National Center for Excellence. It was very fun. The competition was intense, but it was also very challenging. It was a great experience overall. Last year I participated. I got national rank 21.
Okay, so this time you have got 1st rank. So you work more hard.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so in future also such competition is organized. Will you participate?
Absolutely. Next year I'm willing to participate.
Such type of competitions play an important role in students' life because when it comes to spellings bee, it will not only help the students to learn something new words, it also improves during the study time. So how it helps you?
I think the competition improved my spelling overall, right? So if in that way my words got more polished, I got more vocabulary and that helped me write my exams as well, like the school exams.
Which were the words you found tough to learn?
I didn't find any words tough. You just have to practice, so nothing will be tough if you practice.
How much time you spend for practice?
Only 15 minutes a day.
15 minutes a day?
Yeah.
Okay. And which were the words you remember that you learned new this year?
Mostly I knew the words and whatever words were new, I just figured out how to spell them easily.
Will you suggest your friends also to participate?
Absolutely, yes. My friends are actually participating in Spell Bee and competitions.
Debalunjana.
Which school?
Don Bosco School, Lilua, Howrah.
So you have traveled all the way from West Bengal to here. How was your experience?
I was feeling very good. I was a little bit nervous and also excited.
Now coming to your competition, you have won 6th rank. So next year, will you participate and work more harder to get the first rank?
Yes, definitely.
So which word did you found tough to learn?
Like most of the words were easy, but in the spelling round, I got stuck on the word pasteurization.
Okay. And which were the last year also you participated?
Yes.
So this year also you participated again. This time you have got the rank. So next year also you will participate.
Yes.
And will you suggest your friends also to participate in such competition?
Yes.